Okay, so here we go. Air Europa Dreamliner with the Norse tail, so hybrid livery. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and today we have the unboxing of this brand new Air Europa Boeing 787-9, the Dreamliner, called Lofoten. I'm sorry, I don't know if it's been said correctly or not. Anyways, it has a registration number ECNVY, which is the Spanish one, although the plane, as you can see on the box, has the Norse Atlantic Airways back livery and the Air Europa at the front. So here we have the box. So because it's an NG, it's not gonna be flaps up or down or anything. So let's get to the unboxing. So because it's an NG, it comes with a card that if you collect from NG you may be familiar with, which you peel this off and you get a code. So you get on their customer program. So the more points you get, the more free stuff you get. Many guys, collectors, complain about that because they think that it's not worth the amount of points for the things you get. But honestly, I have been using them. Well, I've used them for a couple of times, and it was sorry, and it was fine. I mean, I got 2 blanks, I think. From them. Yeah, I got 2 blanks because one of them I wanted to get the Caledonian Airways TriStar L1011, but when I ordered it was sold out already, but it wasn't updated on their website, so they offered either to reimburse or to get the points back or to purchase another thing. So I got the blank Neo, A330 Neo, and then I got the Dreamliner -10 blank also. But they've already been unboxed, so probably not interesting to get them. So if you get those cards, use them, because you can get good stuff from them. And when they did that thing about suggesting new models and new molds and new airlines to be used, it was really handy. I used a lot of points in that. I don't know if I'm gonna get anything out of it, but well, it was worth the try. So here you have. So like I said, it is with the Spanish registration, although it's flying with North Atlantic. So the plane used to fly for Norwegian. It was the one that had the Freddie Mercury on the tail. And then when Norwegian stopped doing the long haul with Dreamliners, it went to Norse, although it started with Air Europa. So I guess at some point they did a mix. So let's put it on the mirror so we have a better view of it. Okay, so here we go. Well, Air Europa is basically a white livery, although this one has the Norse tail, so it will be like a hybrid livery. So if you follow my channel and if you've seen other of my videos, you'll know that where on what shelf this one's gonna go, because I have a specific shelf for the hybrid or split liveries. So here we go. So now it doesn't have the EC NVY registration. Now it's back to a Norwegian one, which is LNLNR, and flying as Norse. So if you have the Flight Radar app, you can check where that specific plane is at the moment. So I think when I checked it, it was flying from Montreal to somewhere, but doesn't really matter. So as you can see with NG, the details are really good. I will have to check with the guys that know more about that, but in my opinion, the Dreamliners that they have with NG are one of the best. Maybe I like better the ones from Aviation 400, but mainly because of the beacons they have. You know, the collision lights. Well, the anti-collision lights. Sorry. So here you don't have them, obviously, but well, you have the antennas and you have the thing for the internet, but you don't have the anti-collision lights or the beacons. So it says, I don't know if I can focus that far away with this phone, but it says, well, the name of the plane that I got wrong before, the Lofoten, and it says Boeing 787-9 and also Sky Team with the logo. So it's kind of funny that although it was leased by Air Europa, you would expect it, because it has Spanish registration number, it would have a Spanish name, but I would have thought about that. But apparently not. They wanted to keep it the way it was. So like I said, it used to fly for Norwegian long haul until they decided to avoid bankrupt, not to use them anymore. And it was the one with a Freddie Mercury face on the tail, which is one I don't have. I only have two Dreamliners from Norwegian. So, and that one is one I wanted to get, but it's actually pretty hard to find. So, if any of you guys have it and want to get rid of it for a decent price, just let me know in the comments. I can't see whether the engines are hollow or not, but they look like it. So hold on, let me check. So yes, they're hollow. You can see through. Like I said, it's a pretty decent model. it's a lovely livery. I got it basically because I've said it before on my other videos. I don't specifically enjoy the new liveries they have nowadays, where when the plane is all white with the big titles or the name company, well, the airline name on the fuselage, and just a tiny bit of fun on the tail. So Air Europa unfortunately has that livery as it is, but this one I found it on eBay from a really good seller, because normally you hardly ever find anything brand new, and most of the people use those cards and then they resell the plane. So getting the card unused, it's really a good it's really a good deal. So I left a really good comment and evaluation for that seller. So as you can see, it's a pretty nice plane. I'm not very fond of the Dreamliners because, you know, they twin engines are kind of boring, but this one is really cool. And besides, being Spanish, I like collecting Spanish airlines, and it's not like we have many of them with wide bodies. Well, basically, we have these two: Iberia, Air Europa, and Air Plus Ultra, I think. Can't remember if it's still working or not. So anyways, that's gonna be it for today. I hope you liked the video. If you did, please leave a like. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. I do a lot of unboxings. I do a lot of on the field plane recordings by the runway here in Alicante, and there's also other stuff that you may like and enjoy. I will put it in the description of this video others that you may be interested to watch, like the other Dreamliner I got not so long ago. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I hope to see you soon in another video. Bye.